Welcome back to Wooden Shoe Motorsports. Things are starting to move pretty fast here at the 46. Yep, she's getting moved out. We've got the seats out and sent off to the upholstery guy to get those done. Had to do a little bit of cleanup on those. And here we got the bed out of the shop now. Well, it's a good thing size doesn't matter, right?
Send it.
We are a little late, but getting the bed dropped off. So we'll go ahead and get our vegan metal working on with this one, and we'll see how she turns out. And just like that, she's back in the shop. So here we are on inspection day. Dan's down there getting ready to drop the pan on the 46, and we're gonna have a look inside this motor for the first time. While Dan's up there in the front getting that motor cover off, Anthony's out back here getting everything wiped down so we can do an inspection of the rest of the running gear. And here we are. Let's see how bad this actually looks. Oh. That's not chocolate.
Looks like when you dug into it, there's a lot of lithium grease under there.
Nope, that's all bad oil. Hold it right there for a second.
Hold it.
Fucking feels beautiful.
I'm gonna have to edit that out.
Oh.
Man, I'm short. So I'm under the 46 today, and I'm currently using a bunch of brake clean and cleaning the underside of the motor. We'll see how it turns out.
So after about 7 cans of brake clean, we've gone through and cleaned up the bottom end of that motor and let our motor guy take a look at it. He's given us a clean bill of health. So we'll go ahead and get those pans cleaned up.
So now that we've got all the excess sludge out, I've almost, halfway filled up the bucket. It's time to clean it.
We'll go through, change all the fluids in it, make sure everything's nice and cleaned up. We'll button this one back up.
And just like that, clean.
So with the motor having a clean bill of health, what we're gonna go ahead and focus on next is getting all this body work knocked out. Coming up, we have a whole bunch of body work being done, and then we'll get inside of that interior and start going through all of that. I've got a wiring harness I need to make, get that wired in, and then we'll probably temp over that motor and get it fired off also, just to hear it run and see where we're at. And here soon we should have the bed back from the vegan metal working shop. We'll get that installed on here and start getting her painted also. Stay tuned and stay with us.